Hi, welcome to Math to the Power of Science. Today we'll be talking about pi. Pi is pretty famous, but you probably don't know what it really is. Pi is the ratio of the circumference, the distance around a circle, to the diameter, distance between two opposite points on a circle. The first way pi was calculated was by inscribing a polygon into a circle, and then keeping building it up until it approaches a circle. The perimeter of this shape will always be less than the circumference, so pi will always be greater than it. Archimedes found that the upper limit for pi is 3 plus 10 over 71. He did the same thing but in reverse. He made a triangle around the circle and then cut it off into hexagons and proceeded until a 96-sided figure again. Now this perimeter will always be bigger than the circumference, so it will be bigger than pi. So he found that pi was less than 3 plus 10 over 70. This was a good approximation because most approximations during this time was about 3. A better way of calculating pi came with infinite series. Pi can be expressed in many infinite series, but the problem is that it converges very slowly and they had to do manual calculations because they didn't have calculators back then. It helped though because they invented calculus at that time, so they could solve these infinite series. When the invention of calculators and computers came up, we could program a computer to calculate digits of pi for us. As of now, we have 10 trillion digits of pi that we know about. We also know from what we see that pi is infinite and is most likely not repeating. You don't need to go learning all 10 trillion digits. 3.14 or 22 over 7 are great approximations. In fact, we only need to know pi to 39 digits. This is because the largest thing in our universe, the universe that we can see, can be approximated within one hydrogen atom of its actual circumference using pi to 39 digits. This is because when you approximate, you cut off some of the pi. That extra distance is just one hydrogen atom. Even though we only need to know pi to 39 digits, people still love to memorize thousands of digits. This is because pi is so famous, but what if we use tau? Well, thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below, suggest a topic for a future video. If you'd like what you saw, please subscribe.